Okay guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at how to fix a battery on a ASUS ROG gaming laptop. So again, you see right there, it's picking up 0% power even though it's plugged into the wall, so obviously that is the battery. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to change this battery and bring new life into your old laptop. So this is the ASUS gaming laptop that I'll be working on today. It's a 6th generation i7 core processor and a NVIDIA 960 mobile in here. So it's worth saving. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open and I'll show you how to actually repair this and put a new battery in it, guys. Okay, so first off, you want to turn your laptop off and then unpower it from the wall. And then now we can get started by taking it apart. Okay guys, so there's 10 screws you need to take off on the back of the case right there. Just any type of regular Phillips screwdriver will do. And here we go guys, let's go ahead and start taking this apart. Okay guys, so the next 3 screws will be right here on the inside of this little panel, and these screws are silver so that it helps actually differentiate the outside screws from the inside screws. So go ahead and follow along guys, this is pretty easy. The next 3 screws are right here on the inside of the disc player. These are a little bit smaller, so you might need a smaller specialized Phillips screwdriver for these 3. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to actually pull the keyboard off the computer. So a little flathead screwdriver would work. It would be a lot better if it was plastic, but this is like a 8-year-old computer for myself, so I don't really mind using a metal screwdriver to pull this off with. And it comes off pretty easy. If you do feel like you have to use force, most likely you forgot a screw, so just go back and follow my guide. But beyond that, it should come off pretty easy. So after you get right here, make sure to take off these ribbon cables right here. It's very easy to do. So this little bracket's holding them in, so all you need to do is again grab your little screwdriver, or you can use your fingers to pull these 3 off. Again, don't use any pressure, nice and gentle. So you can see the retaining clips are right there, they're in black. Just go ahead and pull them forward with your thumb, or very gently again with your little screwdriver. No force is really necessary for these cables, they're very fragile. You don't want to break the retaining clips. So pull them out nice and slow. Again, there's just 3 right here. Just like that. Okay, and now the keyboard and trackpad should come out very easy. Power cable you have to take off to actually get to the internal battery. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So I already actually took the screws off, but what you want to do is just unscrew this right here. There's actually 2 screws, and then what you want to do is actually, after you get the screw off, is you want to lift up and pull out. Look how easy this comes out, okay? And the same thing to put it back in. So you can put it back in at an angle, just like that. Push it in, and then turn it inside, and then just put your 2 screws in there, and plug it in, and you'll be able to actually bring your laptop back to life. So really there's not too many steps besides all the screws. I think this is one of the easier laptops to work on. ASUS does a pretty good job in actually letting you doing your own maintenance on your computer. Where looking at an Apple, most of the stuff is soldered to the motherboard. And with this, there's this retaining clips you have to use. So for this one, it's actually going to be the white side up, and the part where you actually see the metal connectors is going to be towards the motherboard itself. And then you just have to push a little bit of pressure until you hear it clip in, and that's when you know you're actually going to power your laptop with your battery after you hear that clip. Okay, so now we're going to put back on our keyboard and mouse trackpad. So same thing, just the opposite of how to take it off. So you're just going to put all these back in order, and it's really hard to mess up. The ribbon cables are in order, and they're also different sizes. So again, the retaining clip should still be up. So what you want to do is make sure you push it all the way in until once you clip it back down, you don't see the white line. Same thing with the keyboard one, just push it all the way in there. This one's a little more difficult, but again, remember, be gentle, guys. You don't want to mess up your whole laptop by bending one of these ribbon cables. This will be a lot harder fix than just changing your battery. Okay, just like that. And then the last one, again, very easy. Slide it in there nice and easy once you see it, and then clip it in. So pretty much that was probably the hardest step into actually putting your laptop back together. And again, just go ahead and clip everything back together and screw everything back in. And then let's see how everything looks. Let's power it back up, and let's just make sure the battery's working. Our finished product, guys, a working computer with a battery that can actually hold juice. The last battery, again, was about, let's say, 5 to 6 years old, about the average life of a battery for a laptop if you don't use it that much. You can see right now it has put the battery in, plugged it in, and it's already at 33% charge. They don't come fully charged from factory, but pretty easy fix, guys, and I just unplugged it right there so we can do an unplug test. Still keeping charge. Really easy fix, guys. Don't throw your PCs away, just fix them on your own, and you know, you'll save yourself a couple $100 compared to a PC repair guy. So anyways, guys, this was a little easy fix. I'm going to be starting to do tutorials on how to fix PCs, and how to actually set up network servers. A couple different things we're going to be going into. So here's the old battery. There's the specs right there, guys. If you want to get the same exact battery, you can just type that into Google, find it from ASUS, Amazon, wherever you want to. If you want the exact model, I got a cheaper one, a $30 one, just because it's, you know, I don't really use my laptop as much. Anyways, guys, this was Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself, and I'll see you in the next video. Ghostbit Miner out.